With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question, the mean of the distribution in which the value of x are 1, 2, so on up to n, okay, and the frequency of each being unity, we have to find the mean of that distribution, okay. So see, let me write here what is given in the question. Okay, the values of my xi, okay, xi are given as 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n, okay, this is given to us here, okay. And what we have given that their frequencies, let me denote with fi, where I is these values, okay. So corresponding to each of this xi, my frequency is 1, okay, 1, 1, 1 and so on, okay. Each is unity, okay, 1, okay student. So as we know, in such case we have to calculate my xi and fi, okay, to calculate my mean. So this will be product of these two will be what? 1 into 1 will give me 1, 2 into 1 will give me 2, 3 into 1 will give me 3 and so on, n into 1 will give me n, okay. So see, what is the formula for calculating mean, okay. So see, mean is given by sigma of xi fi from I1 to n divided by n, okay. This is the formula for calculating mean, okay. So see, this sum of xi fi will be sum of these values, okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. So I can write this as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to the n and divided by n, okay student. Now see, this will be equal to what? See, let me write 1 by n here, okay, 1 by n here, okay, and this 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n here, okay. See, it will be equal to what? 1 by n. See, what is this? This is sum of first n natural numbers, okay, which is given by n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the sum of first n natural numbers, okay. So my mean will be equal to what? See, this n will cancel and my mean comes to be n plus 1 divided by 2, okay. So this will be my answer, okay. Now let me check my options, okay. So which option will be correct? Option 3 will be correct, okay. So hope you understand the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.